So we're here at the Rhino and Lion Nature Reserve. Probably going to do the thing that Mandy's looking forward to the most. We're about to go play with the lions. Just headed out in the morning, headed from our hotel here. Now we're going to the Rhino and Lion Reserve on our way up to Sun City. Hopefully gonna play with some lions and some other animals and see some stuff. So here we go. Not sure what kind of antelope those are. There's a giraffe on the other side. Looks like we have some ostriches up ahead. We haven't even paid to go there, so we're
I love it! I'm in Africa!
So we're here at the Rhino and Lion Nature Reserve. Probably going to do the thing that Mandy's looking forward to the most. We're about to go play with the lions. Hey guys! Hey babe, what did you think?
They were so fun. They were cute. So cute.
Even though they were really sleepy.
Even though they were really sleepy.
They're only 5 months old, so it's okay. got done with the Lion and Rhino Reserve, and we're on our way to Sun City, but we stopped at a place called Chameleon Village, which is just a huge African market with tons and tons of stuff. So we're gonna walk around here, see if we can find anything, do a little shopping, some bartering.
Done at the Chameleon Village doing some shopping. I think we did okay.
Yeah, we're kind of suckers a little bit. They try to make you feel so bad about everything.
And we are not
confrontational at all.
We're not confrontational.
And so we don't barter very well.
We are not very good about, fighting for a price.
And the other hard thing that we talked about was we were trying to convert to Rand.
So hard.
Dollars to Rand on the spot.
You have to try and divide everything by 14 to see if you are getting a good deal or if they're just totally screwing you over.
Yeah, so it was tough. We ended up with some fun things.
We did.
Big bump.
I found one thing that I really wanted to find.
There's a Sangoma shop.
Oh, good. A really cute traditional shirt for him. A dress for Ruth. We got something for free by accident.
Yeah, so we're buying this shirt for Benson, and so it's just, you saw all those different shops just close to each other. So we get that shirt, he gives it to a guy in another booth to wrap it in a bag for us. When we told him, no, you can just put it in this bag that we already have. But so this guy takes it and goes over there, and he hands it off to another guy to go and package it. And he's like, oh, while you're here, let me give you this gift for free, just so that you can remember me. And it's these two little giraffes that we didn't want anyways. But
starts carving our names in the side.
Somehow he remembered my name and starts carving my name into the side of it. And he's like, no, this is just a gift.
This is a gift for you,
but
my
come
friend.
over here, and while you're here, look around. And then for like 10 minutes, he's trying to give us all these different things. And he didn't have that cool stuff. If it was a cooler booth, maybe. He did end up with 50 Rand because of it, which is like...
But we didn't get anything else. We just tried to get away.
Yeah, that was me just getting away from him.
We told him like 5 times that was all we had. And he's like, go to an ATM. I'm like, we're not going to go to an ATM.
He's like, let me use your credit card. No, I'm not going to let you use my credit card. And so really all I did have left after we bought all the other stuff was 50 Rand with me.
They were closing the doors. I'm like, we're going to get locked in here with this angry guy.
Lights went out, so finally...
Lights went out.
Finally, I just said that I'd give him the 50 Rand for the thing that he gave us for free, and then we just walked out. But my rule was, you ask them the price, whatever they say, they'll usually do about half of what they say. Whoa.
Pothole.
So,
this is Africa.
Remember that.
Pothole.
Off to Sun City.
Off to Sun City.